practiced my buttonholes, and then I changed my thread and I practiced some blue buttonholes, and I made 3 buttonholes on my vest. Now it's time to open the buttonholes, and we have a tool, a buttonhole cutter, and it comes with a little cutting mat that you can use, and you put it under your buttonhole on the mat, and you start at one side and press down, and the other side and press down, and this opens up your buttonhole. And if you don't have a buttonhole cutter, and you can get them relatively inexpensively, what you can do is use a seam ripper. And the guide says to start in the end and go to the middle, but one good idea is to put a pin at each end so that you don't go through. And most of us have learned this the hard way. So we're going to start at the end with the seam ripper and go towards the middle and then turn it, but you could see how easy it would be to go all the way through and then go that way, and then that's open too. So you can do it either way. So you want to open your buttonholes, and I have opened these buttonholes, and now what we want to do is line this up so we can decide where to place our buttons. So I'm going to overlap my 5/8 inch line like so. Make sure the bottom is set evenly. So do this evenly. And your buttons will go underneath the buttonhole right to the other side. So you put it through the end of your buttonhole like so, and then it goes right on the 5/8 inch line. This one did come exactly through there, but what I'll do is just put another pin there, and that's where your button's going to go. Same thing on this one. It came right through and came on the line. This one's a little bit off, but now we know where it needs to be. And then we'll sew our buttons right there. You don't take your basting line out until you get this done. Then you sew your buttons on and you take your markings all out. Next, we'll sew on some buttons.